Hello everyone and welcome to this video. In today's episode, we are looking at the Ford HQ router to see the configuration. So it's very simple. I can just do show run. And as you can see, you have the configuration over here. So let's see if there's anything to add. So here I use static route. We have to change that. So first of all, we have the loopback interface configured. We have the E00 interface configured, and this is connecting to our PE. And as you remember, here is an access port, so there's no need to create a sub interface on the Ford HQ router. And we are done with the configuration for the interfaces. Now let's see the routing. So initially I used static route, but then I changed it to BGP, so we can just update this. But there's no need for this again. So let's clear it and add BGP. So that's fine. So I think that will be all for the Ford HQ router. So thank you for watching this video and see you in my